Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter Bluetooth is connected but there's no audio output, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is repair the device that we're using, that is the headphones or the speakers, the Bluetooth speakers with the system. So how do we repair it? We will right click on the start button, go to settings and then click on Bluetooth and devices. And then if there is a device, say for example your headphone or your speaker, then you will click on remove device, wait for say 20 seconds and then click on add device Bluetooth and it will detect your device and repair it again. Now the next thing to do is to make sure that it is the default device. So we will look for sound, change system sounds, just all right. So change system sounds here, and then in the playback tab, now for example if I'm using the Bluetooth headphones, I will click on enable if they are disabled, and now I'm using speakers, so I will click on set as default device, and again I'm saying you need to enable it. So once that is done, click on apply, click on OK, and we need to restart the Bluetooth support service. So look for services. Now this is arranged alphabetically, so click on blue to find it, click on B to press B to press the B key to find it fast, and then right click on Bluetooth support service, click on properties, and then make sure that this is set to automatic. Click on apply, click on OK, and then right click on this and click on restart. Click on yes, and that's one step towards solving the issue. Now the next thing we need to do is update the device drivers. So we will go to device manager, all right, and we will look for Bluetooth, right click on the Bluetooth adapter, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, and that should do it. But if it doesn't, then we will have to physically install these drivers, manually install these drivers. So we need to search for I'm using an Asus 1504 FA. So this is the model number. If you don't know the model number of your laptop or desktop, then on your laptop you just have to look at the bottom. There's a sticker there which will give you the model number. So enter your manufacturer, your model number, and Bluetooth driver, search for it. Now here you go. I open this and I will go for drivers and tools. Now I will download the Windows 11 64-bit. Now how do you come to know whether it's a 64-bit or a 32-bit? Go to system information and see the system type here. If it's x64, then you download the x64 one. If it's x86, then you have to download the 32-bit driver. So we will look for the Bluetooth driver and we will download it. Once it is downloaded, open it and then right click run as administrator and we will install the driver. Now all we have to do is restart the computer. Click on start button, click on the power button, click on restart, and then it should automatically start working. It will be connected and you will get the audio either from your speakers or from your Bluetooth headset. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.